That's what this wig is giving. Hold on to your man. I don't want him, but get him away from me. Get him away from me. Damn. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. So today we have a sponsored video from Elva Hair. They sent me this beautiful headband wig. I'm obsessed with it. Honestly, lock up your man, okay? Get him away from me. Get him away from me. But this one is going to draw some attention, y'all. You want to see how I styled this wig, how it came in the package, and all that good stuff. Please continue to watch. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you doing? Subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you can follow me there and participate in all my question and answers, polls, and giveaways that I have on there as well. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get this video started. Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. This is what the box looks like when you get it. It just says Elva Hair on the box. This package did come DHL, and when you open... All right, so we have a comb, and then we have our little hair card. I don't know why I always lose these combs, so these come in handy. And then also, let's see, so we have, I don't know what these are. I don't know what this is. But here is the wig inside. And then you also get a elastic band and a hair wig. So let's see what's in these baggies. Oh, it's a cute headband. Oh, it's a nice thick one. So we have a pink one. We also have, oh, this cute little two-toned leopard print. So cute. I love those. All right, so let's get into the wig. It comes in this Ziploc bag, nice and secure. Ooh, how pretty. This looks really good. This looks really good. So let's take the tissue out of there, and let's take this net off. And we have the wig. This is really pretty. This hair looks so good, but it feels even softer. Oh my God. It feels so good. Oh my gosh. And this is a 24-inch curly headband wig. Inside, you get your 3 combs at the top, middle, left, and right. And then you also get, 2 little clips on the bottom that actually retract like that. You get 2 of these on the bottom and some adjustable straps. So this is going to be nice and secure. Okay, so this wig is looking very good. This looks like it's a natural 1B color. And these curls are, first of all, they're juicy. Let's get a close-up on the ends. The ends look really good. Okay, and then we have our adjustable strap, or the Velcro strap. I'm going to go ahead and put this on real quick. All right, so that is all secure. I'm going to fold this back, push this back just a little bit. And, oh, I'm not going to lie, this feels very secure, you guys, very secure. Oh my gosh, these curls are juicy. Juicy. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. They're so pretty. Okay. Oh my God. I don't know what to say, but curly hair is about to be all me all summer long, okay? Look at these curls. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to start finger combing this out because I want to get this hair nice and big. And you guys know what I'm talking about with the juicy curl. Like, this is some juicy curls. Can you see the juice? Oh my gosh. This is so good. And you know I'm about to cut some layers in here because you know I like a good layer situation, you know. So I'm gonna take my scissors and I'm just going to grab a piece like this and start up here and just cut some layers down in here. Oh, this one is good. Yes. Yes, curls come through. Well, I'm about to run my errands with this wig on today. Definitely running my errands with this wig on today. Yes. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Oh my God, I ain't been naming my wigs, y'all. What we gonna call her? Samantha? I don't know where these names come from. Samantha? Mm. Somebody's hard candy. Do you hear me? This is somebody's hard candy. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Okay, so this is a 24-inch curly headband wig. This wig is giving me everything. Okay, so let's go and try on these headbands real quick. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Okay. Ooh. I really don't be liking color that much, but this pop pink is cute. This is giving me Barbie. Summertime chocolate Barbie. Yes. This is so cute. Okay, let me see. Let me grab my hair tie real quick. Let's see what this hair looks like up. Look at this pineapple. Situation. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. These curls are phenomenal. These curls are phenomenal, okay? The curls are phenomenal. The curls are everything. I love this wig. I love this headband wig. So what do you guys think about this headband? Do you like this one better than the pink one? Which team are you, Barbie or animal print? Which one are you? Okay, let me show you what this hair looks like from the back. Okay, let's do a middle part. Let's see what a middle part looks like. Ooh, the middle part is also good. It looks so good, you guys. This is a summer wig. Like, this is summertime summer wig. Is denim shorts in the summer. This is giving me denim shorts in the summer. I didn't put no water in it or nothing. It's just amazing. It's just amazing. So, all right, make sure you leave a comment and let me know how you like this wig. I freaking love this wig so much. And thank you, Elva Hair, for sponsoring this video and sending me this wig. I really, really love it. This curl pattern is everything. I highly recommend this wig. This wig is everything. This wig is everything. If you love curly hair, if you want a low maintenance wig that you could just throw on in the summer when you got things to do, you got places to be, you got a body to bag, okay? Hurry up, put this one on, and you're ready. You're ready. This is I'm about to snatch your man right. Hold on to your nigga. Hold on to your nigga. I'm just kidding. Hold on to your man. Okay, you guys, so that is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Don't play yourself. Don't do it. Especially if you made it this far in my video and you didn't subscribe. Like, that's kind of weird. That's kind of weird. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you can follow me on there. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.